Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Thinkorswim on Mac. First, let's ensure your Mac is ready. Thinkorswim requires a robust system, so check your specifications. You will need at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth operation. Also, confirm your operating system is Mac OS Catalina or newer for the best experience. Meeting these requirements ensures a stable and efficient trading platform. Next, you will need to download the Thinkorswim installer. Head over to the official Charles Schwab website. Look for the Thinkorswim desktop application section. There, you will find the specific download link for Mac users. Click on this link to begin downloading the installer file. It is usually a relatively small file, so it should download quickly. Once the download is complete, it is time to install. Locate the downloaded file, usually in your Mac's Downloads folder. Double-click it to open the installer. You will typically see a window where you simply drag the Thinkorswim application icon into your Applications folder. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to finalize the installation process smoothly. Finally, you are ready to launch and log in. Open the Thinkorswim application from your Applications folder or through Launchpad. When prompted, enter your Charles Schwab or TD Ameritrade username and password. You will then have the option to choose between your live trading account or a paper money practice account. Select your preference and start exploring the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.